Okay, I can't wait to go to my flight, and this is gonna be a peaceful flight. And look at my passengers. This is a private jet, so I will be walking to my jet. See you guys. All passengers on board private jet 555. Please proceed. Let's go. It's my flight. Oh, that's gotta be my flight. I can't wait to go on a private jet. This is gonna be awesome. I agree. Best vacation ever. And don't forget about me. All passengers on board this flight, please fasten your seatbelts and enjoy your flight. Let's go, bro. I'm gonna enjoy my flight. It's gonna be the best flight ever. Oh, yes, sir. So, I'm the pilot of this flight. This is gonna be awesome. I'm gonna make this the best flight ever for my passengers. So, let's push back to the runway and, there's a bit of turbulence there. Hey, I'm back here, and there's a bit of turbulence, email. Okay, the passengers are just complaining about some stuff. Let's go to the runway. Please stay calm. We have officially taxied to the runway. Now we're gonna be taking off. Please fasten your seatbelts. Okay, finally, we're going. I can't wait anymore. This private jet's nice. ADC, ready to take off? Ready to take off? Storm hitting us. Storm causing some bad turbulence. All passengers, please, be calm. Nothing's gonna happen. Time to gear out. Slow this thing down. And this should be enough. The flaps zero. Flaps there. And we gotta go up. Out. Stall. Pull up. Emergency, private jet 155, having emergency, engine failure. All passengers, please, stay calm. We're having an emergency landing at Perth International Airport. We have an engine failure. All passengers, please stay calm. What such good day on being on the rescue team, because we have no emergency. Private jet has crashed in front of Perth International. Rescue team, go on. Oh no, emergency. We have to run as fast as we can. I have to get my helicopter, and this is serious. All helicopters at Perth International Rescue Team, start the locking go. All helicopters going concurrent. Rescue team to find the private jet 1555. Try to find it. I'm gonna go this way. Coast Guard Sergeant, we One of the helicopters have given up, and the other one has given up too. You're the only one who can take them. I'm going as fast as I can. I'm gonna put my landing gear in. Is it far? It is, the crash happened, like, right below you. So, let's just pull down. Just pull down, and you might find them. Just stay on top. They have been officially lost. Go to Perth International to land. But so you're telling me the people just died? Well, probably by now. So there's no point of going there, man. The only point of you being in a helicopter is landing right now. So see you anyway.